Okay, we're back. Hi. I'm pretty tired at the moment. I'm just gonna hang out here for an hour, run some experiments, maybe get a sweep or two going. Nothing major. Let's go see the current experiments. Not these, not these. I don't know where I put them. Oh, no big deal. Oh, here they are. Perfect. So we will see how this does. Oh, it's training. So I just noticed that I had screwed up the hypers when I copied some stuff over. So it's possible this does work out of the box. It is possible. Question is going to be whether this gets stuck where the previous one got stuck. Currently, this has a nice steep curve on it. But yeah, other than that, I'm going to just chill out, have myself a shake, and see if I can figure out a few small things with these experiments. You know, so we can get some good stuff running overnight. I would much prefer to not have to run a sweep at this point. Just run like one really good long PSGD experiment. So I'm gonna just do a couple like little ablations on stuff and see what I can come up with. Well, it looks stuck there. And these were the params I ran the other one with. So you would think it would be able to optimize on this. To be fair, this is where the other one first started to get stuck. So we will see whether it keeps this sort of a curve or not. I'm trying to think what would be the major source of screw up here. Oh, you know what? Hang on a second. So when I ran this before, what's the overall progress today on neural MMO in general? In general, PSGD looks very, very good. We did some more optimizer stuff. There was some like theoretical progress today as well. I mean, in theory, there was progress. But PSGD looks very promising, but it's going to depend on how it does on neural MMO. And there's some stuff that we have to fiddle with for that. If not, we just go back to Muon, and Muon's, we just take our win and we call it a day. Okay, so num_ems is not specified here. Env num_ems, right? Is not specified here at all. So is it specified in default config? It is not. So the number of ems will be the default, which I believe is 4. That's 8192 agents. learning rate. 8,192 agents would it be? Which is maybe just a little high. No, not really. Not with this batch size, it's not. Mini batch size is very low. This is what we were using for other stuff, though. If we were to assume that it's just harder, then maybe this has to increase or something. Possibly this just had to increase. How are we looking on the baselines? We don't get this like smooth increase like we did with Muon. And very odd. Well, hang on. Muon also did have... Muon had some tuning in the params, didn't it? So... yeah, I seem to remember that. Okay, so we have atom beta 1, atom beta 2, and an atom epsilon. But these are a default. Yeah, those are a default. Except the epsilon. Does not Muon, does PSGD have an epsilon? Expert params. No, there's no epsilon here. Bunch of other stuff. Kind of with all of these, we're getting this, like, flattening. Though this one I will give a little more time, because this is potentially not stuck. We will see. Mincom prof is higher, actually, isn't it? Oh yeah, this is unfortunate. So like, does something, then it undoes something. It's at 50 mil. Definitely something with this spike here. But this is like such a more consistent curve, you know? It like gets to there, I mean, this is like very comparable. This early behavior here is very comparable, but then it just keeps going, whereas this doesn't. Let's do something. M num m's is 4. Yeah, this is fine. This is the same as we have here. Yeah. You have all these for rewards. Worked out -2. Item 1.3. Yeah, these are all the same. And then these train params. Yeah, this is all the same as well. Update epoch. This gamma and lambda is really suspicious, honestly. You know, I almost am wondering if I was gonna say I was wondering if this was the culprit. But the thing is, we ran this before without this gamma and it still didn't work. You can see right here as well, I have this ridiculously low learning rate. I kind of just took all the params as is, and I just ran it with, where's the opt-in? Muon. Yeah. The only thing I did do is I took these optimizer params. Do you think I need to reduce the learning rate? 0004. This has a very small learning rate. That's probably why it's stretched out so much as well. 0004. I think it's 0003 or whatever for PSGD. Let me double check. Ah, hold on, it's not. It's different here. It's 001. So we could try this learning rate potentially. Because this is a totally different learning rate from the other repo I was using. Let's see if this other experiment has gone anywhere. Now, see, we're stuck here. Okay. So let's try something. Was it say 001 or 0001? 001. So this is 0005, so it's half of it. It could just be that, right? It could just straight up be the learning rate. And it would be pretty sensitive to that, come to think of it, because there's no there is annealing, but it's such a long time horizon that there may as well not be annealing. It would seem like it would seem odd to me if that were just it, though, right? I mean, I ran this with default hypers, and then I ran this with the matching hypers. It did something very close. Only thing I can think of is, I mean, the learning rate is kind of the most likely next thing. That is the one parameter that, if it's like way off, can just totally screw it over. I don't know yet. Would that give you this type of behavior, though? I guess it could. This is probably just like some super basic initial behavior, right? Like dodging enemies or something. Oh, I see something good there. Yep, I see something good here. Is it stuck? Might be stuck. It looked like it made such a big difference, though. I mean, look, it gets up to there. Mm. I have to let it run just a little longer. It's hard to say. Oh, the min, was it min com prof? Okay, you know, this actually might be something here. So I think it is literally just sweep LR, sweep precondition LR, and I think we'll be good. I just do like 500 mil or whatever. Let me get that set up. Okay, where's our box? Okay, so this is really obnoxious that this works like this, but we'll fix this. Yeah, that's definitely still learning. Not gonna sweep any of this other crap. Recon del R. Let me go get the ranges from these guys. Where did he give me the parameters? Okay, learning rate 1e minus 5 to 3e minus 3. Well, we have 1e minus 5. Weight decay, not getting used. Precon del R. 0, 0, 1 to 1.5. Okay, that's crazy. That's, I guess, what it is. This will do 0.5 as well. And auto. I think we'll just do these for now. So we don't have to sweep a crazy, crazy number of parameters, you know? This is plenty. Do we leave the rewards alone? It's basically 1, 1, 1, -1 with the clipping on, isn't it? Yeah, let's just remove these reward params as well. Make it really easy to compare everything. And then this is going to be min prof. Min equals 1.0, max equals 20.0, I believe. And then was it total time steps? This is going to be 500 million. Everything else is fixed, so these norms and things, honestly, do I trust the 30K mini batch, 32K mini batch? I kind of want to just YOLO run this. We can YOLO a little bit, right? Oh, holy, look at that mincom prof. Yeah, okay, so this one works. I think we can even just mess with a couple things before I do this. Yeah. I think we can do that. $52, was it 52? $52,400, 288. Batch size 32K. I want to do like a 16K on this instead. The gamma, get rid of lambda. This 0003. And then recon. One. Okay. Yeah, look at that. This is solid. And this is now way outpacing the previous one. Okay. This optimizer worth investing in a little bit. I think we're going to do it this way. I'm actually going to do 8192. I'm going to delete all of these even. Then it's literally just going to be like this. Okay? That's all we have for training here. Where's this thing? So we're going to get rid of all this stuff. And the only thing we're going to put, we are going to keep this total time steps in there for the purposes of learning rate decay. But other than that, we're just going to do this, and we're going to see if this still learns roughly the same. In which case, the issue would have only been the learning rate and nothing else. That's what we're going to do. Now, I'm going to just wait until this thing gets started, and then I'm going to end the stream because I'm going to go get ready for bed and stuff. And then I'm just going to be checking on this over the next, like, half hour, 40 minutes, or whatever. I'll monitor this, and then I'll start the sweep. And hopefully we will have some cool results by morning. And yeah, very exciting stuff. Very exciting stuff indeed. So, and if this works, then we'll have basically optimizer stuff all set up. We won't need MUPI. We're in a very good spot. So for the couple folks watching at the moment, if you're interested in following more RL stuff, whether that's here to see progress live, or if you're interested in getting involved, puffer.ai. Start the repo on GitHub to help us out. Really helps us out a ton. And you can get involved in development on the Discord. Don't need an RL background, you just need a programming background and a desire to learn. Some of our best contributors came in with 0 RL background. Other than that, follow me on X for more RL content, and I will be back